master directed numbers in a few simple minutes. So what are directed numbers? Directed numbers are numbers that have a direction and also have a value. So for example, on the number line that we have at the top, we have 0 that is in the middle right here, and positive numbers are to the right, negative numbers are to the left. So basically this number line represents directed numbers. So let's look at how to solve these directed numbers problems using the number line. So if we're looking at number 1, where we have 6 plus negative 3. Alright, so in this case, when we have a positive and a negative next to each other in this way, the positive and negative will be converted to a negative. So this can be changed to 6 minus 3 equals. So since we are looking at the number line, I'm going to show you how to use the number line to solve these problems. So we started with 6 minus 3. So 6 is right here, so you identify 3. And since we are subtracting, we're going to count to the left. Alright, so 6 minus 3, so we're going to count 3 times to the left. 1, 2, 3. And we ended up at the number 3. Alright, so in other words, 6 plus negative 3 can be written as 6 minus 3, and that is 3. Alright, so let's look at number 2, where we have negative 4 plus 7. Please pay attention to the number that is at the front, and in this case it is negative 4 plus 7. So we're going to identify negative 4 on the number line, which is this right here, negative 4, and then we're going to count 7 times to the right. So since we're adding, we're going to count to the right. Alright guys, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative 4 plus 7 gives us a positive 3. So this is a positive 3. So the number line is just a simple way of how we can solve these problems without confusion. So let's look at 8 minus 11. Alright guys, pay attention to your first number, which is 8. So we're going to highlight our 8 right here. Minus 11. Remember, if we're subtracting, we're going to count to the left. We're going to count 11 times to the left, and we're not going to include the 8. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're at negative 3. Alright guys, so this is how we go about solving these types of problems.